Core mining on CoreSage is trending right now, but many people still don't understand how the CoreSage paid direct works and how to withdraw instantly. In this video, I will show you step by step how to mine Core and how to maximize your earnings safely. Make sure you watch till the end because I will also share important tips every Core miner must know. Here's the brain tech. On this channel, I share tips to make money online, like what I'm about to show you. So this sounds good to you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notification bell so that whenever I upload new video, you'll be the first person you see. Before you can start to mine your Core, there are some of the things you need to have before you can get started. So the first thing you need to have before you can get started is a Web3 wallet that supports Core blockchain, right, such as MetaMask, OKS Web3, and BitGet wallet, right, and so on. So any Web3 wallet you have that support Core blockchain you can use, but in this video I will use OKS, right. And the next thing also you need to have also is 60 Core, which worth of $4, right. So you can buy Core on any crypto exchange you have. You can buy Core and send to the wallet, right. So in this video I said I'll use which is OKS. Let me launch my OKS. So this is my OKS, which is my exchange, OKS exchange. This is not the Web3, this is the exchange, but I want to show you that this is my Core that I'm about to transfer to the Web3, right. So you need to buy Core as I said earlier, right. So after you have your Core, then you switch to the OKS Web3 to go and copy your address to Web3. So guys, this is my wallet, this is my OKS Web3 wallet. I want to use it. You can see I have named it Core mining wallet, right. So it's better to have a different wallet for this Core mining, right, because this Core mining is like a business, right. It's like this, so you need to have its own wallet for it. Okay, so after we have it, then the next thing we are going to do is to add the Core blockchain, right. We are going to search for Core on the search bar. So we tap on manage crypto. Once you tap on manage crypto, then we tap on Core, right. You see it pop up here. You can see Core here, then we tap on it. So once we tap on it, it will automatically add, because you can see we have negative sign here, because if you tap on the add, it will add, but if this show that it have already added, so if you tap on the negative sign, it will remove from the home page, right. So let's go back and you can see here. So here we copy our address, we tap on receive, then copy our Core address, then we go to the exchange, right. We go to our exchange and send the Core to here, right. So here, come to the asset section. And guys, if you don't know, if you're new and you don't know how to buy Core, it's simple. Tap on trade here. When you tap on trade, then here you can see Core/USDT, right. So if you see yours is not Core/USDT, what you need to do is to tap on this search icon here. Tap on it, then you type Core, right. You type Core, it will pop up here. You tap Core, only Core, and you search it. After you search it, it will pop up. You can see it here. It will be like this. Then after that, you fill amount you want to buy, right. Enter the USDT you want to buy, maybe 10 Core, right. So if you enter the 10 USDT, you can see the amount of Core you will get will appear here. You can see you receive 136 Core, right. So that's how it's. After that, you tap on buy Core, right, because me I've already buy it. So let me, after buy it, then come to asset, you come to see it here. After that, you send it, right. So here you tap on withdraw. I want to tap on withdraw, so you can see P2P and withdraw crypto. So guys, you can see our Core have been successfully arrived here, right. So you can see once you open it, you can see 66.30 Core, right. So the next thing also you do is to tap on the explore section here. After you have your Core, you tap on explore section here. So once you tap on the explore section here, then you paste the registration link of the core we are about to mine here. So let me paste the link. So I will leave this link in the description or the comment section of this video so that you can also use to get started. Right after that, you tap on this under here, tap on confirm. You can see it's processing. So you can see join CoreSage. Here you tap on register for 60 core. Once you tap on it, you can see wallet not connected. So let's confirm it. Then we connect our wallet. So we tap on OKS Web3. So here tap on core dial. So here our wallet connected. So you can see register for 60 core. Once you tap on it, it will load. So you tap on confirm. So let me verify it. So here you tap on proceed to dashboard. So guys, here is our dashboard, right? We have landed to our dashboard successfully. So after you land to your dashboard successfully, what you need to do is to copy your referral link so that you can also share to your friend. So if you land to your dashboard like this, you claim a welcome bonus of 0.2 core, right? You tap on claim reward now. Once you tap on claim reward now, you can see me. I have already add to blockchain, right, of core. That's why it showed me. So I will use the OKS RPC. This is my custom one. So I will select the first. So you select what you use, right? But in the video I show you the OKS RPC, right? So tap on OK. Then we tap on confirm. So this would successfully claim to your wallet, right? You can see transaction submitted. Check your explore. So this have been successfully claimed. So you come back every 24 hours, right? So it will start mining soon, right? So every 24 hours you come back, you can claim, right? So the cooldown will start soon, right? So guys, we got something extra matrix, right? So for the extra matrix, or is that you need to upgrade yourself. You need to upgrade yourself, right? So this is extra matrix. So you can see if you upgrade yourself, you can see now I am on level 1, right? I'm on level 1. So you can see we have 1, 2, 3. That is the extra matrix. So and the next here is you want to upgrade yourself to unlock level 2. Also, yes, you need to pay 60 core, right? And the next level also is 120 core. So the more you are mining, the more you are using to upgrade it, so to earn more, right, guys? So that's how basically we have 6x matrix. So the more here it is the 6x matrix because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So and this also you can also refer your friend. Once your friend boost their matrix, all your levels will open for you. That is how this works. So if you don't have referrals, you need to use the core you are mining to upgrade it to go forward. And if your friend also use your referral link to sign up like this, you also be receive 40 core. Anyone who will use your invite link to register, you receive 40 core from that person, right? So that's how this also works. So in my next video, I'll show you how to upgrade yourself to earn more, right, guys? So that's how this core works. So it's very, very important. So the reason why you need to mine this core is that currently one core price is 0.07, right? So this is very, very important to my core because the core is pumping. I'm telling you, especially those are new on my channel, right? I'm telling you, maybe you are newbie, you don't know anything about what I'm talking about. So it is very, very important. The reason why I'm showing you to do that, this core is will pump, right? So if you do this and accumulate 1,000 of core, you know, if core reach $1, we have a huge amount of money, right? People make millions of dollars in the past opportunities like this, right? We have so many opportunities like this. So this is another opportunity to let you mine free core. This token have already listed, as you see the price here. So this is coin market cap, right? If you go to the OKS Web3 wallet, we bought the core from there. You see the same price there, right? And people also are participating in these projects, right? People are participating in this project because you can see the total participant 3,628 people, right? So this is the time you need to participate. This is the time for you to position yourself, because there's this type of project, if the algorithm see people are coming to the project, then they are reducing and then they are reducing the amount of core you earn daily, right? So this is the best time for you. So this is a video I made for you to get started to earn free core just for $4, right? So guys, that's how about the registration of this core. So if you want to do, this is the time for you. If you don't want to do, it's your own case. So this is your first time come across to my channel, guys, can you subscribe and turn on notification bell so that whenever I upload new video like this, you'll be notified. We have a WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. You can also join us for more latest update on core. For instance, updates, it's not all videos or all content we can create about core on YouTube. It's not everything we can talk about. So we have a WhatsApp group and Telegram channel that you can join us for instance updates, right? So anything about core, you get it, right? See you guys in my next video.